So this is my take on this look of Miss Kim Kardashian. Also, if you want to know what he used to achieve that look, Makeup by Mari have got your back. He posted everything on his Instagram post, like each and every detail of makeup products and skincare products. So even though you don't have those products, you'll be able to create it. You know why? Because I didn't even use single product that he mentioned and I was able to get this look. Now let's just create this gorgeous look together. For that powder lips, we're definitely gonna use this Too Faced Lip Injection Maximum Plump. So that's what we're gonna use. It's gonna burn a little, but you know what? Beauty is pain. So I feel like I don't even have a single product that I use, but we're gonna work it out. So for that flawless complexion, we're gonna be using this Saturday Skin Water Cream. If you guys still haven't tried this moisturizer and you have a dry skin, I feel sorry for you. Bad thing, I'm also breaking out a little bit of the food that I chose to eat on my daughter's birthday, and I can't believe she turned 4 years old. This can't be real. Time is a thief. If you know me, you know double priming is a key. So for the first primer, I'm going to be using this Huda Beauty Jelly, and for the second primer, I'm going to be using this All Powder Primer. So this is the first primer. Now the second primer. Now we are ready. Moving on with the foundation, I'm going to be using this Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Liquid Foundation. Now with the help of brush, I'm simply applying it everywhere. Foundation is foundationing. For the under eyes, if you know Kardashian Jenner, their under eyes are always lit. So for that, we're going to be using Bare Minerals Liquid Mineral Concealer. This will do the job because this is one of the brightest concealer I have ever used in my life. Blends so effortlessly. It's still not that bright, so wait for it. So for the bronzer, I'm gonna be using this Laura Mercier tinted moisturizer. I mean, I have to say this is literally one of the best bronzer I have used in 2023 so far. It feels like a water whenever I apply it. It's like the perfect amount of color. I said we gotta make this under eye more bright, so for that I'm gonna be using my forever favorite loose powder. This is brightening under eye powder from Jaclyn Cosmetics. Like, this will literally brighten up your entire whole motherfucking world. This is that good. I use this powder whenever I use concealer to highlight. Now I'm gonna use this translucent powder from Jaclyn Cosmetics, like pressed translucent. Set my whole face. Now we're gonna use a little bit of powder bronzer from Kat Von D right on top of the liquid bronzer I used earlier. Now for that rosy cheek, I'm gonna be using this blush from Sephora in shade Date Night right on my cheekbone like that. Slowly it's coming together. Now for the highlighter, I'm using this Stellar Beauty right here in my breeze, tip of my nose, into my nose using a bronzer. I probably might have the smallest nose in this whole freaking world. This hair is bothering me a lot. Now for the eyeshadow, I'm gonna be using this called The Artist in Muse. First, I'm gonna be using this dark brown shade called I'm Inspired, literally everywhere on my lid like that. I'm like that. Now with the help of this clean blending brush, I'm just blending it out this harsh edges. Now taking in the shade, I'm just taking in the shade called Don't Move, and I'm applying on my crease line. I'm using this same dark shade right here in the center again to kind of intensify that brown. Now I'm going to use this dark brown cream gel liner from ColourPop Cosmetics in shade Sunnyvale on my waterline. Like that. Now I'm going to use this same dark brown eyeshadow right here on my waterline. Now I'm going to use this black cream gel liner from Anastasia Beverly Hills in shade Jet Black as a liner right on my upper lash line. And I'm also doing a tight line, blending this gel liner out with a blending brush. Now this is where we're at, and now I'm gonna add a little bit of shimmery eyeshadow right here on my inner corner because that's what I see on this side of our eyeshadow. So we're gonna be adding this shade called Beauty Campaign, just a little bit, and this is how I'm adding it from my inner corner. Using this brown mascara from Too Faced Cosmetics on my lower lash line like that. And I'm also gonna add the black mascara from Fenty Beauty on my upper lash. So went ahead and added the lashes super quick. I have a separate video for this lashes because I cannot say what I use at the moment. And we are almost done with the look. Now what's left is the lips, and for that I'm using this ColourPop lip liner in shade BFF3, my forever favorite only brown lip liner that goes with every single lip shade. This is how it looks. Now I'm going to blend it out with a clean brush. Now I'm going to add this Maybelline liquid lipstick in shade Driver. So I can also see some metallic shine on her lips. So we're going to add a little bit of eyeshadow for that. and blend it out with a finger. Now I'm gonna add a tiniest amount of gloss, just a little bit. For the look, you guys. I'm so happy the way it turned out, and now I'm gonna go do my hair and then be back. And that's it, you guys. This is the hair that we did. I can't believe I literally chopped my hair for this. Like, look at the dedication. I mean, I hope you guys enjoyed this look as much as I enjoyed creating it. Now it's your turn to